deep in the heart of Africa, in the land of the mountain gorillas and the Big Five, on the shores of the Great Lake Victoria, where the Nile kicks off its journey to the Mediterranean, right on the equator, in Uganda. There it grows wildly, a unique coffee cherry. Uganda. This is the birthplace of Robusta coffees.
Got a nice sweet acidity, a very sweet finish, very rounded, creamy mouthfeel, and a very nice distinct flavor of this little spice, the little nuts, the little milk chocolate coming through beautifully in the cup.
Experts have said that Robusta coffee has always been an equal competitor to Arabica, but over time, it was Arabica that gained the favor of the coffee consumers.
Delicious. I like that. Yeah.
I find Uganda coffee to be the best. It's personally my favorite. I've been saying this since 2003, when perhaps the specialty coffee industry would not necessarily agree.
Uganda grows and exports both Robusta and Arabica with a year-round harvest. Unlike most Robusta coffee, Uganda Robusta is grown at a higher altitude in its natural environment, with no modifications. The crop grows naturally, vegetatively multiplied by rooted cuttings and elated seed. The Robusta bean is hard, giving a very good roast. It is famous for its mild, soft, bittersweet, balanced natural taste.
This is breaded coffee. Breaded coffee because most of our Robustas are sold according to size. It's one of our largest sizes, 318. It's from southwestern Uganda.
I thought it was nice, creamy, chocolatey, little, put it up there. I thought it was really good. Butterfinger was, when I got on the smell, I thought positive things about it.
As the birthplace of Robusta coffee, Uganda has become the initiation country of Robusta protocols, a standardized method of differentiating Robusta quality.
I realized the Uganda Robusta coffee is one of the best coffee in the world.
Robusta cuppers, and they call them R graders. So instead of Q graders, they're called R graders. And there's actually 42 R graders in Uganda, and no other country has even more than 5. So it's a big thing.
Uganda's exported Robusta is used to blend other coffees, an element that has taken away its individual identity, preventing farmers from receiving premium prices for their high-quality produce. With Robusta accounting for 80% of Uganda coffee exports, the potential to sell Robusta at premium prices could have a significant impact on the livelihoods of Uganda's smallholder coffee farmers, who depend on its cultivation as a cash crop. And this is the birthplace of the Robusta species of coffee.